Hi everyone, I was asked if I could show how to unknit a purl stitch. So here I have a bunch of purl stitches I was going across. So if I made a mistake a couple stitches back, I'd want to go back to it. Unknitting a purl stitch is absolutely the opposite side of unknitting a knit stitch. So if you see, well, let's do a purl stitch. So I'm going to insert my needle, go around the front, and that's a purl stitch. It's actually the opposite is a knit stitch. So to undo it, it's just the opposite side. So instead of going back on this side to get a knit stitch, you're going to go here to the front and pick this stitch up that was just on my needle. And then you're just going to pull that yarn over off. So again, it's just to the front. That was what was on my needle. And then this is the yarn over. Equally, if it confuses you, you could kind of flip it over to the back. Now remember, everything's in reverse. But you can see the stitch. This was the yarn over. And this would be picking the stitch up to undo it. So remember that your knit stitches and your purl stitches are actually the opposite of each other. So if you do a knit stitch, the back is a purl stitch. If you do a purl stitch, the back is a knit stitch. So it's really quite simple. It's just the opposite. Sometimes I work better in reverse anyway. So again, if you want to undo a purl stitch, you're going to go into the front of the loop. This was the one that was originally on my needle, and this was the yarn over. You're just going to catch it and then push off that yarn over to go backwards. I hope this helps some more of you. Have a good one.